traveling is something you buy that makes you richer. Not necessarily richer in money, but richer in memories, richer in friendships, richer in the way you think about life. It makes you an overall completely different person than when you left. Don't be afraid to spend money on places you go, because one day you're gonna wake up and realize that the only place you went was work. It's not necessarily the places you see, but it's the people you meet, and it's the experience. It's all about the experience. Go out and see the world, because you only live once, as cliche as